Be electrical from here down to the cable box.
Right, but this lever, go ahead, we're tied up, go ahead and play with it back and forth. Now try to go forward. See how you had to fight it?
Oh yeah.
And there's no detent. You can't really feel the detent. So I don't know if the springs are gone or if the balls fell out. We're still in gear.
No, we're out now. Yeah, we're out.
Okay. And then the starboard's not as bad, but it's still tricky too.
I'll see if this is all Glendinning, I believe.
Right. There's Glendinning guys that just do that only.
That's what we would do. I don't want to... I'm no expert on that system. I wouldn't want to do anything that'd make it more dangerous.
I agree. I just wanted you to feel what we felt.
Sure. I felt it when we moved it into the slip. I just assumed when we sea trialed during survey that it was brought up.
It was not.
It is a problem that apparently they worked
So we're going to have that
several
fixed.
years ago, because they, talked that they